favorite computer concierge. Now, we want to talk about our mom, dad, nana, papa, our seniors, because the one thing that's frustrating for people in technology, and I'm not talking about people that are like, a little younger, that are like 50 and below, but people that are 50 and up. And sometimes they just can't get the help they need from their grandkids, from their kids. Sometimes we're so busy and we just don't have the time. And you know what? If it's you and your mom or your dad's asking you to help and you really don't know, but you just don't want to seem like you don't know, get them to the right people, the right team to get them taken care of. Our phone number is 770-693-0769. We can help mom, dad, papa, nana. We can help grandma, Coco, I heard. There are so many amazing names that I hear for grandpa and grandma. It's like, oh, that's a new one. I never heard of Coco. Yes, there is a Coco. So if you're a Coco, if you're a nana, if you're a papa, give us a call. We can walk you through. It doesn't make any difference on whether it's a printer, whether it's a laptop, desktop, Apple, Mac, Linux. Doesn't make a difference. We're going to get you the solutions to get you up and running again. I am Terrence, your favorite computer concierge. We'll see you guys soon.